Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. Today we're exploring the best monocular telescope, a handy tool that brings distant views up close with stunning clarity. Whether you're hiking, birdwatching, or watching sports, this device makes every detail easy to see. Let's get started. Meet the OXK Monocular Telescope. This compact device is designed for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers who want clear and detailed views of distant scenes. With 12x magnification and a 6.5-degree wide field of view, it gives you a larger, more comfortable viewing experience, letting you enjoy everything from wildlife to landscapes with ease. One of the standout features is its 25mm large eyepiece combined with a 56mm objective lens. This design allows more light to pass through, producing brighter visuals and a broader field of vision. Whether you're spotting birds from afar or enjoying a concert, the OXK Monocular Telescope ensures you don't miss a single detail.
The optical system is enhanced with advanced, fully multi-coating technology and a BAK4 prism. This reduces glare, maximizes light transmission, and produces sharp, high-contrast, color-accurate images. Even if you wear glasses, the monocular is comfortable for long viewing sessions without strain or dizziness.
To make capturing moments easier, the OXK Monocular Telescope includes a sturdy smartphone holder and tripod. The tripod has adjustable angles and 3 height settings, giving you steady, shake-free images every time. The phone holder works with all smartphones, letting you take photos or videos effortlessly and share your adventures instantly. Its compact design makes it highly portable. Lightweight and easy to carry, the OXK Monocular fits in your backpack or gear bag without taking up much space, so you can bring it along for any outdoor activity or trip. In real-life use, this monocular shines. You can scan distant mountains, observe wildlife, or watch outdoor events with clarity. It's also great for capturing memorable moments on camera, making your outdoor experiences more immersive and enjoyable. The OXK Monocular Telescope is perfect for hikers, travelers, birdwatchers, sports fans, and anyone who loves exploring and observing distant scenes. Its combination of premium optics, practical design, and versatile accessories makes it a reliable companion for adventure and photography. Amazing, right? Check the price link in the description to grab your own, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more gadgets that make your outdoor adventures more vivid and exciting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy every view with the OXK Monocular Telescope.